Healthy snack meal ideas, nutritious and delicious. 1. Cottage cheese and pineapple. Ingredients: cottage cheese, pineapple chunks, fresh or canned in juice, combine cottage cheese with pineapple chunks in a bowl for a protein-rich snack. Two, chia pudding. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon honey, fresh fruit, optional. Mix chia seeds with almond milk and honey in a bowl. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours or overnight, and top with fresh fruit before serving. Three, stuffed dates. Ingredients: medjool dates, almond butter, chopped nuts, optional. Pit the dates, stuff them with almond butter, and sprinkle with chopped nuts if desired. 4. Egg muffins. Ingredients: eggs, spinach, bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, salt, pepper. Beat the eggs and mix with chopped spinach, bell peppers, and cherry tomatoes. Pour into a muffin tin, sprinkle with feta cheese, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 15-20 minutes. 5. Energy balls. Ingredients: 1 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1/4 cup honey, 1/4 cup flax seeds, 1/4 cup chocolate chips. Mix all ingredients together in a bowl, roll into bite-sized balls, and refrigerate until firm. These healthy snack meals are perfect for keeping you fueled throughout the day. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.